Hi everyone and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I have an unboxing of my second box from the Pearlesque subscription box, and this month the featured company is called Luxe Botanics, and the two products are the Camu Brightening Serum and the Camu Brightening Mist. So let me tell you a little bit about the company. It's a South African based company. The founder is a woman by the name of Janae Rosdorf. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. She is a biotechnologist who believes that science and nature can complement each other, and so she combines both in her skincare with the idea of making a superior product that's more effective. Let's see, the line is centered on three core ingredients. They are marula from Kenya. They are, the second is the camu berry, which is from northern Peru, and the Kigelia fruit, which is an extract that comes from Malawi. So it's a very global, in terms of ingredients, company. And she has three different lines: the marula hydrating line, the Kigelia, I think that's how you pronounce it. I forget what that line does. Oh, clarifying line. And then this Camu line, which is their brightening line. So let me tell you a little bit about Camu. So the Camu is a shrub that is native to the more flooded areas of the Amazon rainforest. And the fruit looks a lot like one of those varieties of multicolored cherries, and it is loaded with vitamin C. So it has 2,145 milligrams of vitamin C per every 100 grams. So that's about a little more than half a cup, and that is 3,575% of your daily recommended value. So that's a lot of vitamin C. And the high levels of vitamin C in the serum are there to help even out the skin tone, repair and protect from free radical and environmental damage and stress. And the serum itself has flavonoids as well as ellagic acid, that help to firm the skin. In addition, other ingredients give you even more extra vitamin C, and there are minerals in there as well to nourish the skin. So the first ingredient in the serum is the Camu, followed by green tea, black tea, rooibos, and white tea. It also has hyaluronic acid in here, and CoQ10, squalane, and a long list of oils and essential oils. When they say botanics, they aren't kidding. Additionally, the other product here is the Brightening Mist, and this is a face mist. You can see when you spray, it has a powerful spray. So although you can use it during the day to like refresh your makeup, make sure your arm is far, far away. This is a hydrating toning mist that again features camu and hyaluronic acid, as well as the Damascus rose, and again more essential oils, including cedarwood, rosewood, sage, and the scent profile of this is a beautiful, beautiful soft rose scent. Now I have, as of late, become obsessed with all things rose, and this is just magical. When you put it on the face, you can feel that it is definitely giving you hydration. It's also soothing, and the scent is just a beautiful, beautiful soft rose scent. So the way that you use these ingredients, you would use the serum during the day, although they also say that you can use it at night. But it's best, I have found, right after toning, and then I put this on, and well, okay, let's see, during the day I would tone first, then use my peptide serum, and then go ahead and put this on top of it, because this has so much hydration and oils in it that it feels like a moisturizer rather than a serum. I'll show you a little bit on the hand. So you can see that that's thick. It's definitely a sort of a thick lotion texture rather than a cream. It absorbs very quickly. With this product, I find that I don't need another moisturizer after it. I can just go directly with my Davita moisturizer with sunscreen. The scent, again, you have a very, very faint rose scent. I mean, really, it's almost fragrance-free. So it's very, very mild and very, very soothing. And I can already tell that I am falling in love with it. I've used it twice the last 2 days in a row, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful product. So on the Luxe Botanicals website, you can get a discovery kit where you can sample most of their products. They also have samples, individual samples of their products. These two products retail for, hang on, $85 for the brightening serum and $32 for this brightening mist. One other thing I want to tell you about this company is that they believe in giving back to the communities that harvest and process their botanicals by providing a fair trade living wage. And when you purchase anything from the Camu line, a nursery school child in Ethiopia is provided with a nutritious hot meal. So if you want to know any more about they're part of a global, worldwide sort of give back organization. And if you want to know more about that, you can go to the website www.b1g1.com. That's for buy one, give one.com. So www.b1g1.com. The Pearlesque box is $39.95 per month. You can cancel or at any time. You can skip if you need to, because they give you a good amount of time to, if you follow them on Instagram, to decide if you want that month's box by telling you where it's coming from and what's going to be in it, so that if you need to skip for whatever reason, you can. The next box comes from a company in Paris called C'est La Vie. It is designed. It is a skincare line that's designed for people with sensitive skin, because the founder herself had very highly reactive skin. And the products in the line have short ingredient lists. They're all organic. They're all made in France, and they're all developed with raw, unrefined, and highly active ingredients. The core products in that line are rose damascus, helichrysum, and aloe. The two products in the box are going to be the essential eye cream for dark circles and puffiness, and the day cream. And the deadline to sign up for the Pearlesque box, if you're interested in getting that box, is going to be March 4th. And it also has a retail value of $155. So next month I will not be reviewing the Pearlesque box, because although I was dying to get my hands on this on next month's company's products, unfortunately, one of the short ingredient in their that they use in pretty much all of their products possibly contains corn. And the owner and founder of the company was so sweet to, I had sent in an email just asking about this particular product and what it was derived from. And she was in the middle of an exhibition in Germany and emailed me back saying that that particular product comes in a bundle from a supplier, and she couldn't confirm exactly what it was made from, so she suggested that I just skip the box. But in terms of customer service, that's above and beyond as far as I'm concerned. So if you're interested in Pearlesque, I think that next month's box is going to be a beautiful way to get started. And shoot, I would, and anybody who does get it, let me know what you think of it, because I really, really really wanted to get my hands on these two eye cream and day cream. All right, so the next part of this video, I'm going to talk briefly about my experience of using last month's Pearlesque products. Here they are. It's the from Hanua Skincare, the Aloha Youth Serum, and the Aina Mask. Let me just say that when I first got these two products, I was a little bit nervous about the mask because it seemed like it was really, really active, and I was afraid my sensitive skin wasn't going to be able to handle it. But that turned out to not be the case. The Aloha Youth Serum, I find it's a very nice serum. Again, the texture is quite light. It's almost like a dry serum. See there, very thick, very white, very creamy. But I think that for me, for my skin, because the weather here for the last month has been so freakishly dry, this is not enough for me. This leaves my skin feeling a little bit dried out. And I suspect that it's just because there's just no moisture in the air whatsoever. I think that if you live in a climate where, you know, there is more humidity in the air, you will love this because you know, unless your skin is uber dry. But for my drier skin, it's fine. I will continue to use it. I'm just going to switch it over to using it at night since I'll be using the camo serum during the day and finish it up because it is a beautiful serum. And in terms of, this is supposed to, you know, be like an anti-aging, wrinkle-fighting serum. I haven't seen any indications of that yet, except on the neck area where I do notice a nice softening going on the neck. But as far as if I see, you know, any additional sort of, you know, wrinkle softening going on the face, I will let you know in an empties video when I'm finished with this bottle. However, the Aina Mask, oh my gosh, it's like a brand new favorite. This mask has a very mousse-like texture. Let me see if I can just pull out a little bit. I don't know how well, you can't really tell. If I put it there, maybe you can tell, but it's a very soft, mousse, soothing, lightweight texture on it that you know, goes on very smoothly, feels very luxurious and nourishing when you get it on the skin. You can leave it on, I don't know, as long as you like. I've left it, well, they recommend 10 to 20 minutes. I've left it on longer. And when you take it off, your skin, at least in my experience, my skin is much brighter. It looks very plump. And a few videos back ago, I demoed the Wamisa hydrogel mask that you know, it's like a sheet mask that you sit on, and afterwards my skin was peeling off, and once the peeling finally stopped, my skin felt like glass, and that lasted for almost a week and a half, that feeling of so super soft. I'd never experienced that before. This mask gets you very close to that glass-like feeling. It doesn't last as long. It probably lasts maybe 3 or 4 days, but it's very close to that. And again, like I said, it's very brightening. In fact, between this mask and the Rose mask from Face Mask Alchemy this month, my skin is like lightening up, and to the point that my Alima Pure foundation is too dark and is now too yellow. So fortunately I'm almost done with it, but yeah, I'm going to need a different color. So now that I'm putting in the camo for even more brightening, I may be walking around looking like a disco ball. Hopefully not, but yeah, this mask, I give it 5 thumbs up if I could. It is really an excellent mask. And again, it has a very sort of, there's a little bit of sort of a pungency to it, but it's not offensive at all as far as the fragrance goes. It just feels like the earth, you know, like the rich silica and you know, volcanic soil, that sort of smell. That's all, you know, it's just, I love it. I just love it. So I'm going to wrap this up for today. If you have any questions about the Pearlesque box, about the subscription, let me know in the comments below and I'll answer them. If you're getting the subscription box, let me know what you think of the products. Gosh, I guess the only issue that I've really had with them so far is that it takes a really, really long time for the products, for the box to actually get to me. They notify you by email when it's shipped, but it took about 10 days to get here. And what's unusual is that the shipping destination, the office for the Pearlesque, is on San Vicente, which is like 3 miles from my house. So I think what I'm going to do is email them ahead of you know, the next shipment that I'm expecting, and just ask them if I can swing by the office and pick the box up, because it would be a whole lot faster. So otherwise, everyone, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And in the meantime, until I see you again, everyone, take good care of yourselves. Have a great week, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!